Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is DML operation. These are insert, update, delete, upsert, undelete, merge. These are the major operation what we are going to see. DML operation. DML stands for Data Manipulation Language. These operations are used to manipulate data into Salesforce database. It allows us to insert, update, delete, and retrieve data from Salesforce objects. These operations are essential for any interaction with Salesforce data, whether we are building Apex classes, triggers, or integrating with external systems. It means if any operation fails, the entire operation fails. It is also known as synchronous call. It means a single thread will wait until it completes its task before proceeding next. It runs as single thread like insert, update, upsert, delete, undelete. Mainly these type of transactions are transition operation, insert statement. The insert DML operation adds one or more S object records to the organization's data. Syntax: insert S object. For example, insert new record into Salesforce. So we are going to write like account ACC equals to new account, and here we are passing name equals to new account, and in the next line we are inserting ACC, this variable. We'll see in the practical session. Update statement. The update DML operation modifies one or more existing S object records in the organization data. Syntax: update S object. For example, update existing records in the Salesforce. Means if there is existing record in the Salesforce database, we can update that particular record. So we need to write the query like account ACC equals to select ID name from account where name equals to new account, limit 1. Here we are using limit 1 to display only one record. In the next line, ACC name equals to updated account. So if this account name is finding, we are updating that particular account name. Initially it was new account, and now we are updated with updated account. Update ACC. Then we are updating this ACC variable. Delete statement. The delete DML operation deletes or removes one or more existing S object records from the organization's data. Syntax: delete S object. Example: delete the record from Salesforce. So how we are going to delete? Account ACC equals to select ID from account where name equals to updated account, limit 1. So if this name is finding in the account object, then we are deleting by delete ACC, this variable. It's holding the data, then we are going to delete. Upsert statement. It is the combination of insert and update. If the record exists, it is updated, otherwise a new record is inserted. So syntax for this is upsert S object optional field name. So let's see example. By the company name ABC Private Limited perform the upsert operation. So what here we are going to do, if in the database ABC Private Limited is already existing, then it is not going to create a new one. Or if by the name, half of the name it is existing, like ABC is existing, then it is going to update that particular record and will make it like ABC, it's already exist, and adding private limited. So how we are going to do this? Account ACC equals to new account name equals to ABC private limited. Upsert ACC. If it is existing, then it is going to update, otherwise it is going to create a new one. Undelete statement. The undelete DML operation is used to recover or restores the records from the organization's recycle bin. Syntax: undelete as object ID. Example: recover the updated account record from the recycle bin. So how we are going to write the query? List of account ACC list equals to select ID from account where name equals to updated account and is deleted equals to true all rows. So what it is going to do? It is going to undelete this updated account from the recycle bin and it is going to restore in the account object database. Undelete ACC list. Merge statement. The merge statement combines up to 3 records of the same S object type into one of the records, deleting the others, and reparenting any related records with field values merged. Syntax: merge S object ID. Example: the merge statement is used to merge up to 3 records into a single record. So how we are going to write? Account ACC equals to select ID from account where name equals to check account limit 1, and next account ACC new equals to select ID from account where name equals to updated account. Again we are using limit 1 in both the cases and we are merging this both into one. Merge ACC and ACC new, both the variables are here. So it is going to merge into a single record. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So to run the query, we need to click on setup gear icon, developer console, right click, open link in new tab. So first we are going to see insert statement. So debug, open execute anonymous window. So first we are going to see insert statement. So account ACC equals to new account, and here we are creating by the name new account. So insert ACC, select this and execute highlighted. So click on accounts. So we are able to see that new account one record is get created today itself, right now. In the account object we are able to see a new account is created by this statement. Then next we are going to see update statement. So for update, how to write the statement? Account ACC equals to select ID name from account where name equals to new account. So just now we had created new account and we are giving the limit 1 to fetch only one record, and this account name we are going to update by the name updated account. So acc.name equals to updated account and update acc. So if there is multiple statement in execute anonymous window, we have to select and execute this particular code. So there are so many statements. For this reason I am selecting this only, execute highlighted. So it's executed again, came back to our account. So see, new account is converted into updated account, what we had did right now. So next we are going to see delete statement. So for this, account acc equals to select id from account where name equals to updated account, what we had updated right now. Limit 1 is going to fetch only one record, delete acc. So when we are executing this statement, it is going to delete this particular account record, execute highlighted. So again came back to our account. Now we are able to see that this account is deleted. So how can we verify the account is deleted? Click on the profile option, switch to Salesforce Classic, click recycle bin. So see, updated account is deleted. Again coming back to our debug execute anonymous window. Next we are going to see absurd statement. So for this account acc equals to new account name ABC private limited. So in this case, if ABC or something is existing by the name what we are providing, it is going to update, otherwise it is going to create a new account by this name. So in this case it is going to create, because already ABC or something like this, it is not existing in the account database. So select this absurd ACC, select this and execute highlighted. So come back to our account, switch to Lightning Experience. Click account. So here we are able to see that ABC Private Limited is created. So next we are going to see undelete operation. List of account ACC list equals to select ID from account where name equals to updated account and is deleted equals to true all rows. Undelete ACC list. So what it is going to do, it is going to check if updated account is deleted or not. If it is deleted and it's true, then it is going to restore that particular record. Execute highlighted. So click on account, updated account we are able to see, and to cross verify, just click on view profile, switch to Salesforce Classic, click on recycle bin. Now we are seeing that updated account is deleted and it was showing here, but when we had run the statement undelete, so it is restored in the account as object. So again switch to lightning experience. Now it is here, updated account. So in the statement we are seeing check account. By this name there is no any record existing. So for this we need to create a account. So click on account, click new. By the name check account we have to create a record. So now we are able to see check account and updated account is there, and these two records we need to merge. So for this we need to write the statement like this: account ACC equals to select ID from account where name equals to check account limit 1, and in the next statement account ACC new equals to select ID from account where name equals to updated account limit 1. Merge ACC this and ACC new this. Select this, execute highlighted. It's run. So again come back to here. So now we are able to see that updated account is merged into check account. Like this we are operating with DML operations. Thank you.